Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Flair and Paper. If you are not familiar with this beautifully put together stationery subscription box, each month Flair and Paper sends you four to five cards, like little blank cards. They're designed beautifully, and as well as 1 to 2 stationery items. To be honest, there's usually more. It is, oh my gosh, I live near a quarry, and like once or twice a week they like blow up something and it's like, it's literally like a very small earthquake. It's crazy. So anyway, it's only $19.99 a month. I do have a coupon code I will put down below for you guys. I will be doing a full review as I always do on my vlog. No, I wasn't. No, come here. I wasn't trying to get you to go away. She's mad because she can't sit on my lap. She's gonna try though. And I will link to Flair and Paper below. You can check them out. This is the last day of November. This is the November box. I wanted to try to get it out for almost a month. All right, you open these up and they're just beautiful. For the price, you get so much stuff. $19.99 buys you usually 5 cards and just beautiful stationery items. So it says Shades of Gratitude. That was their theme for the month. You can also go on their website and just buy single cards. You can buy collections. They have like, if you want to buy a bunch of thank yous or, you know, things like that. I love this. Well, all right. Shades of Gratitude. And then it does list each of the items over here. We're not going to do that right now. We're just going to go right in. Is this what? It's like a little easel, like a chalkboard easel. I don't know if this is like a name tag. Like that you could put on a gift or something like that, which is really cute. I do have chalk. I'm going to look. I'm going to look really. A mini chalkboard. It's just for fun. Oh my gosh, isn't it cute? I'm going to put this in my kitchen. Somewhere in my kitchen. I already know, because that's where I can put things without my kids touching them. Thanks, counters that go all the way back. All right. I'm going to wait to do our cards. I'm going to do those last. We have another pen. This is from, oh, it's a liquid chalk pen. Now, I think I have a chalk pen. You want to hear a funny story? So I have a chalk pen, and I painted my wall with chalkboard paint. And I'm like, cool. I am going to use my chalkboard pen on my chalkboard wall. Unfortunately, chalkboard pen does not wipe off. It's not like chalk. It's like a pen. It looks like chalk. It's not good. So I think if you write on here, it's going to stay. In case any of you out there have this. Okay, she found like some tissue paper and she's just over there rolling around with it. All right. So just so you guys know. All right. Ooh, what is this? No. Oh, I love it. Oh, so first it has a little, but it's a tea towel, guys. And it says gather and give thanks. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I love the fabric. It's like so soft. How pretty is this? Oh my gosh, the look. Oh, it's so pretty. We've never received an item like that in one of our Flair and Paper boxes. All right. Oh, I guess this is like a wine. It looks like a wine. You put this on like a wine bottle and it says eat, drink, and be thankful. I'm going to actually save these for next Thanksgiving. We already had our Friendsgiving, so it's a little too late. But next Friendsgiving, heck yeah, buddy, right? Okay. My girlfriends actually had this. They made this thing for me. It's so beautiful. It's like a metal bucket, and it says Happy Friendsgiving on it, and it's full of flowers, and it has like a cool rope handle. I don't know. I was like, this is so nice. There's a November calendar. That's the part. Every box, I'm like, oh, I didn't get my calendar again. All right. And then we're going to get to the cards. See what I mean? For $19.99, this is a great, great, great deal. All right. I actually used one of the birthday cards from last month. It was like pumpkin spice or something like that. I don't know. But I used it for my girlfriend for her birthday. So the first card says, happy birthday. You will always be older than me. Ha, ha, ha. That's actually really funny. My husband's birthday's coming up. He is older than me too. All right. Oh, I like that. Oh my God. There is always something to be thankful for, like wine. I love the script on there. It's so cool. It's not you. It's me. Just kidding. It's totally you. I love these. All right, and then this one says, thankful for you. So this would be great, like, if somebody did a good deed for you around, you know, autumn and stuff like that. You're my favorite human. Oh my God, I love this card. My husband and I use that word a lot, humans. Like we call people humans. Oh, that human over there. So maybe I give this to my favorite human. And yes, I'll admit it's my husband. All right, anyway, so that is everything that I received in my Flair Paper. I think this box is amazing. It's extraordinary for just $19.99. This is a really well put together, well-rounded, like really cool aesthetically. I love that word, aesthetically. It's an aesthetically pleasing box. And I think I enjoy it highly. So if you're interested in the full review, I will link to that. If you're interested in Flair Paper, check out the coupon code and click the link below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.